Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee and you are viewing my channel Dr. Subrata Mukherjee Distance Learning in Commerce. I would like to request my viewers to subscribe the channel and to follow the playlist section of the channel where I have uploaded lectures on accounts, financial management, costing and management accounting. I have prepared this channel for the benefits of students of commerce who cannot afford private tuition but can have access to quality education. I would like to request my student to note the problem in your notebook and follow the process that I have adopted here to solve the problem. Give your valuable feedback. Student can communicate with me through email which I have given in the description box. Today I am going to discuss a problem on final accounts of manufacturing concern. The following is the trial balance of Mr. Suresh as on 30th June 2021. Prepare a trading and profit and loss account for the year 2021 and balance it as at 30th June 2021 from it. On debit side, we have purchases 1,80,000, opening stock 10,000, salaries less PF 5,400, PF remittance including proprietor's contribution 50%, 1,200, rent at the rate 250 per month, 2,750, machinery 29,000, wages 3,000, furniture and fitting 5,000, electricity 550, trade expenses 1,500, debtors 10,500, interest on loan rupees 900, commission 200, building 30,000, drawing 5,000. On credit side we have sales 2,05,000, loans at 10% 10,000, creditors 15,000, capital 55,000. Total of debit and credit side is 2,85,000. Now see the adjustment entries. On 1st July 2020, machinery worth rupees 5,000 was sold for rupees 4,000 and credited to machinery account. Next, wages include rupees 1,000 paid for machinery erection charges. Purchases include cost of moped scooter for rupees 5,000. Proprietor had taken goods costing rupees 1,000 for which no entry has been made. Sundry debtors include rupees 500 which had become bad. Provide 10% reserve for bad debt. Electric bill was outstanding for rupees 50. Goods costing rupees 5,000 were destroyed by fire and insurance claim was admitted for rupees 4,000. No entry has been made for this. Provide depreciation 5% on building, 10% on machinery, furniture and moped. Closing stock is rupees 12,000. I have prepared the structure of the trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet as on 30th June 2021. So first of all, I would like to discuss the adjustment entries which is given in the problem. So the first entry is that on 1st July 2021, machinery worth rupees 5,000 was sold for rupees 4,000 and credited to machinery account. The correct entry is bank account debit 4,000, profit and loss account debit 1,000 to machinery rupees 5,000. But the actual journal entry that was passed was bank account debit 4,000 to machinery account 4,000. So the rectification journal that I have to pass to give effect in this problem is profit and loss account debit to machinery. So in PL account we will write to loss on sale of machinery and we are going to reduce rupees 1,000 from the balance of machinery which is given in the trial balance. Next item of adjustment is wages include rupees 1,000 paid for machinery erection charges. So here the wages amount of rupees 1,000 should have been capitalized to machinery account, but instead of capitalizing rupees 1,000 it has been charged to revenue. So you need to pass a journal entry to rectify this adjustment. So the journal entry that we need to pass is machinery account debit 1,000 to wages account rupees 1,000. So the machinery balance will be increased by rupees 1,000. So the wages amount that has been paid for erection will be capitalized and the amount of machinery will be increased by rupees 1,000 and wages amount which is given in the trial balance as rupees 3,000 will be reduced by rupees 1,000. The third item for adjustment is purchase include cost of moped scooter for rupees 5,000. The purchase of moped scooter was made for rupees 5,000. So instead of capitalizing this amount of rupees 5,000, it has been charged to revenue and it has been debited to purchase. So you need to debit moped scooter account, debit 5,000 to purchase. So we are going to reduce 5,000 from purchase, which is given in the trial balance, and the purchase amount which is given in the trial balance is rupees 1,80,000. So we are going to reduce this amount of 5,000 from the amount of purchase, and the moped scooter will be debited by 5,000. So this amount will be shown in the asset side. The fourth item for adjustment is a proprietor has taken goods costing rupees 1,000 for which no entry has been passed. General entry for the fourth adjustment entry is drawing account debit to purchase. So we are going to debit drawing account by rupees 1,000 to purchase. Means we are going to reduce the amount from purchase by rupees 1,000. Then the fifth adjustment entry is sundry debtors include rupees 500 which had become bad and provide 10% for reserve for bad debt. Now, so there is a bad debt for rupees 500. So the general entry is bad debt account debit to sundry debtors. So we are going to reduce 500 from the balance of sundry debtors, which is given at rupees 10,500, and there is no bad debt account in the trial balance. So we are going to debit bad debt 500, and bad debt is a nominal account, all of you know. So this amount of 500 will be charged to PL. So this amount will be charged to PL, and the reserve for bad debt is equal to the balance of debtor which is given in the trial balance is 10,500. 500 will be reduced for the amount of bad debt. So this amount is rupees 10,000, that is after deducting bad debt from the sundry debtor balance. So you need to make a reserve for bad debt at 10% on the balance of sundry debtor. So this amount of reserve for bad debt is calculated at rupees 1,000. Next, sixth adjustment entry is electric bill was outstanding for rupees 50. So there is electricity bill outstanding of rupees 50. So electricity bill account debit to outstanding electric bill account 50. So electricity bill, this is nominal account, and this will be charged to PL. Charged to PL, and the outstanding electric bill is a personal account, and this balance will be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet for rupees 50. The next item is goods costing rupees 5,000 were destroyed by fire and insurance claim admitted was rupees 4,000. So the general entry for this adjustment entry is insurance claim account debit rupees 4,000, PL account debit rupees 1,000 to abnormal loss account rupees 5,000. So insurance claim is a personal account, and this will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. So this is as on the asset side of the balance sheet, and PL account of rupees 1,000, this will be charged to PL. Charged to PL as loss due to fire, and this amount of abnormal loss is shown on the credit side of trading account. The next adjustment entry is regarding depreciation. So you need to charge depreciation at the rate of 5% on building and 10% on machinery, furniture and moped. So here we have calculated the amount of depreciation on building. So the balance of building given in the trial balance is rupees 30,000, and you need to charge depreciation at the rate of 5%. So 5% of rupees 30,000 is 1,500. The balance of machinery given in the trial balance is 29,000. So there is a reduction of rupees 1,000 due to the loss on sale of machinery, and there is addition of rupees 1,000 for wages that has been paid for erection of machinery. So 29,000 minus 1,000 plus 1,000 means 29,000 into 10% is 2,900. So balance of furniture and fitting given in the trial balance is 5,000, and 10% of 5,000 is 500. and moped scooter was purchased for 5,000 and depreciation of 10% has been charged on the balance of rupees 5,000, which is equal to rupees 500. So total of the depreciation charge to building, machinery, furniture and fitting and moped scooter is rupees 5,400. So we are going to reduce these balances from each of the balances of building, machinery, furniture fitting and moped scooter in the balance sheet, and we are going to charge depreciation of rupees 5,400 to profit and loss account. Now there is another adjustment which is given in the trial balance as rent has been paid at the rate of 250 per month. So if 250 rupees is paid per month for 12 months, then 3,000 is the amount which is the actual rent for the year. But amount which has been paid for rent during the year is 2,750. So there is an outstanding rent of rupees 250. So you need to incorporate this outstanding rent in your accounts. So the journal entry will be rent account debit 250 to outstanding rent account 250. So rent being a nominal account, this is a nominal account, and this amount will be added with the balance of rent given in the trial balance as 2,750. So the total amount of rent charged to PL will be 3,000, and outstanding rent is a personal account. So this will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. The next adjustment entry will be there is a loan for rupees 10,000 and interest payable at 10% per annum, but interest paid on loan is rupees 900. So there is an outstanding interest on loan of rupees 1,000. So the journal entry will be interest on loan account debit rupees 100 to outstanding interest on loan account rupees 100. So interest on loan is also a nominal account. So the amount of 900 is already given in the trial balance. So we are going to add up rupees 100 with rupees 900. So total amount that will be charged to PL will be rupees 1,000. That is 10% of rupees 10,000 is 1,000. And outstanding interest on loan being a personal account will be carried forward to the liability side of the balance sheet. So all the adjustment entries has been discussed here. So students are requested to note all the adjustment journal entries that I have passed. Now we are going to post the balances of the trial balance either in trading PL account or in balance sheet. So let's start. So the first item of trial balance is purchases. So in trading account, we are writing to purchase. And in inner column, I am writing 1,80,000 because there are two adjustment. The next item is opening stock. So in trading account, I am writing to opening stock, rupees 10,000. Next is salaries. So in PL account, I need to write leaving some space for preparing the trading account. So to salaries, I am writing here 5,400. Next is PF remittance. So in PL account, I am writing PF 1,200. Next is rent. So in PL account, I am writing to rent. In the inner column, I am writing 2,750. And there is an adjustment entry that I will write later on. Next is machinery. So on asset side, I am writing machinery in the inner column 29,000. Next is wages. So in trading account, I am writing to wages in the inner column rupees 3000 because there is one adjustment. Then furniture and fittings. So on asset side I am writing furniture and fitting rupees 5000 in the inner column. Next is electricity. So in PL account I am writing to electricity in the inner column rupees 550. Next, trade PL account I am writing trade expenses rupees 1500 in the outer column. Next is debtor. So on asset side, after machinery and furniture and fitting, there are two more fixed assets. One is building and the moped, scooter. So I am leaving some space here and then I am writing debtors. In the inner column I am writing 10,500. Next is to interest on loan. In the inner column I have written rupees 900 and then to commission rupees 200. So after commission we have a building. So in the inner column of the asset side I am writing building 30,000. And the next item is drawing. So drawing is reduced from capital. So in the first line we will write capital and so I am writing here less drawing. Within bracket I am writing 5,000 because there is another drawing. Okay. Then coming to the credit side of the trial balance. The first item is sales. So in trading account I am writing buy sales. Outer column I am writing 2,05,000 because there is no adjustment regarding sales. Next is loan at 10%. So on the liability side I am writing loan rupees 10,000. Next is creditor. So on liability side I am writing creditors rupees 15,000. Then you have capital. So capital you have 55,000. All the items which are given in the trial balance I have posted in trading PL or in balance sheet. So since I have already passed the journal entry for the adjustment entries which are given in this problem, so I have recorded the payment made for wages, purchase, machinery, furniture, building in the inner column because I know that there are some adjustment entry regarding these items. So in one screen I am trying to show you the trading PL account and the balance sheet. Now it's time to give the effect of the adjustment entries. So the first adjustment entry is PL account debit to machinery. So we are going to charge rupees 1,000 to PL account. So in PL account I am writing to loss on sale of machinery rupees 1,000 and in the asset side I am writing less loss on sale rupees 1,000. Next entry is regarding capitalizing the expenses paid for erection of machinery. So you need to add wages paid amount of rupees 1,000 in your asset side and the net amount of machinery is 29,000 and you are going to reduce less erection charges. I am writing 1,000 from wages. I am reducing 1,000 from the wages balance of 3,000. So the net balance of wage is rupees 2,000. Third adjustment entry is regarding purchase of moped scooter. So I am reducing 5,000 from purchase and writing moped scooter rupees 5,000 in asset side. So from purchase I am reducing less moped scooter or moped rupees 5,000 and in the asset side I am writing moped scooter rupees 5,000. Next item is drawing to purchase. So I am going to reduce rupees 1000 from purchase. So I am going to reduce 1000 from purchase and adding this 1000 with drawing. So the total drawing amount is rupees 6000 and the net purchase is 1,74,000. The next item is a bad debt that will be charged to PL and 500 will be reduced from debtor. So in PLI account I am writing to bad debt rupees 500 and from debtor I am reducing rupees 500. So less bad debt 500. So 10,000 I am writing in the asset side. Now you need to reduce less reserve for bad debt rupees 1000. So the net debtor balance is rupees 9,000. Net debtor balance is rupees 9,000 and again in PL account I am writing to reserve for bad debt as rupees 1000. Next item is outstanding electricity. So in the PL account I have written to electricity 550 in the inner column. So add outstanding rupees 50 and in the outer column you need to write 600 rupees. Again on the liability side you need to write outstanding electricity bill rupees 50. Next item is insurance claim account debit, PL account debit to abnormal loss. So in trading account you need to write by abnormal loss rupees 5,000. Then in PL you need to write to loss due to fire rupees 1000 and on the asset side I am writing insurance claim 4,000. Next journal entry is regarding the depreciation. So in PL account I am writing to depreciation on building so depreciation on building 1,500, on machinery 2,900, on furniture and fitting 500 and on moped 500. So total amount of depreciation is 5,400. So from machinery balance I am reducing depreciation 2,900. So the net machinery balance, so the net balance of machinery is 26,100. Then I am charging depreciation on furniture and fittings. So less depreciation rupees 500. So the net balance of furniture fitting is 4,500. Next I am reducing the balance of depreciation from building which is 1,500. So the net balance of building is 28,500. Next I am charging depreciation from moped scooter. So less depreciation rupees 500 and the net balance of moped scooter is rupees 4,500. Next journal entry is regarding the outstanding rent. So in PL account I have already written to rent 2,750. So add outstanding rupees 250 and the net balance of rent is 3,000. And on liability side of the balance sheet I am writing outstanding rent rupees 250. Next adjustment entry is regarding interest on loan. So interest on loan I have already recorded in PL account as rupees 900 in the inner column. So add outstanding rupees 100. So the net interest on loan will be rupees 1000. Again on the liability side I am writing outstanding interest on loan rupees 100. And the last item is the closing stock. So in trading account I am writing buy closing stock rupees 12,000, and on the asset side I am writing closing stock rupees 12,000. Now it's time to close the trading PL and balance sheet. So the first ledger that I am going to close is the trading account. So on the credit side of trading account you have sales for rupees 2,05,000, then I have written abnormal loss 5,000 and closing stock 12,000. And on debit side you have opening stock of 10,000, then net purchase is 1,74,000 after reducing for purchase of moped 5,000 and for additional drawing by proprietor rupees 1,000, and wages 3,000 and less erection charges 1,000. So you have a gross profit for rupees 36,000. So total of trading account is 2,22,000. So gross profit will be brought down to your PL account. So by GPBD I am writing 36,000, and there is no item on the credit side of PL. Items of the debit side of your profit and loss account are salaries 5,400, then 2 PF 1,200, then rent 3,000, electricity 550, add outstanding 50 rupees 600, then to trade expenses 1,500, then interest on loan 900 plus outstanding 100, total amount 1,000, then commission 200, loss on sale of machinery 1,000, bad debt 500, then reserve for bad debt 1,000, loss due to fire 1,000, and to depreciation on building 1,500, machinery 2,900, furniture and fitting 500, and moped 500. So total amount of depreciation is 5,400. So you have a net profit for rupees 14,200, and total of PL account is 36,000. Now coming to the asset side, the first item is machinery 26,100, then furniture and fitting 4,500, then building 28,500, then moped scooter 4,500, then debtors rupees 9,000, then insurance claim admitted rupees 4,000, and closing stock of rupees 12,000. So total of asset side is 88,600. And coming to the liability side, you have an opening capital of 55,000, then less drawing 6,000, add net profit of 14,200. So your closing capital is 63,200. Then loan 10,000, creditors 15,000, outstanding electricity bill of 50, outstanding rent 250, and outstanding interest on loan rupees 100. So total of liability side is also 88,600. So in one screen I am trying to present the trading PL and the balance sheet. Thank you. Thanks for watching the lecture.